So we have a pink Deli brand stapler. It can staple through 40 to 50 pages. They advertise 40 here, 40 sheets exceeded. On their website it says 50, and I did put it to the test. Easy push button to reload. Comes with a matching staple remover that's also pink, and also comes with staple set of 1,000 staples to start with. And they are super sharp tips, and these staples can go through, some of these staples can go through 30 sheets and some can go through 50 sheets. They're different sizes, or lengths, I guess would be how to word it. But that's the Deli brand stapler, pink stapler, 5 out of 5 for sure.